Eee, baby. What you doing? What is that? Okay, this is the third vlog today. Happy, Crystal? Okay, you know when you're supposed to be doing something, but you decide to not do it? But what you're supposed to be doing is staring you in the face, like, see, this is what I'm doing. See all this crafting here with a little sander and a little rusted behind saw. If anyone wants to donate one, holla at your girl. So this is what I am doing. But reading this book is what I should be doing. I can't decide. I like crafting, so I might craft instead of reading the book that I should be reading. Well,